Hey guys, it's Heather. Today I'm gonna be showing you, in my opinion, the best way to do your own at-home acrylic nails, and I actually did nail polish on top today with a gel coat. So I've been using the Kiss Acrylic Nail Kit. They have all different styles, short, long, square, curvy. You guys, they are so easy and foolproof to use, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to have beautiful, natural, really healthy looking nails. And the best part about them is that they're only about $5 to $6, so they're so cheap, you have nothing to lose. Just definitely try them. And what I really love about these is that you can leave them as is. It comes in a really pretty French nude, just like this. It looks gorgeous, so shiny, looks like you went to the salon, looks really, really nice. And you can also paint these. It is super easy to do. What I like to do is I'll wear them like this for a few days, and then maybe if I get bored, I'll pop on a fun color. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we do this in a minute. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna go over how long they typically last, how to remove them, any other questions you guys will probably have. I'm gonna cover that in the ending of this video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is just set up the area where you're gonna plan on putting on your nails. I am just sitting here at my desk. I put down like a white hand towel, or you can use paper towel, anything like that, just to protect the surface. So I have my nail polish remover that you're gonna wanna do first. I have my nail kit, and then I have the nail polish that I am going to be painting these with today, as well as my gel base coat and top coat. So here are the nails that I'm gonna be using today. These are the real short length. I've also used, let me go grab them. I've also used these, which are the medium length, and these are the rounded edge. They kind of have more of that point towards the end. I'll just show you really quick. So this style of nail has more of that rounded tip. I like that one too, really pretty, but today I'm just gonna be going with the real short. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up the package. It does have like 2 pieces of tape on the side here that just easily lift off. And then it has that sticky gel. It's not too difficult to open, but you just have to make sure that you find the little tabs on the side. And then just gently take the package out. It comes with a nail file. It gives you plenty of nail glue. And then it comes with 28 different nails to choose from. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up the package, and they all will just kind of fall out, so you have to be careful. But there are 28 different nails to choose from. So what I'm gonna do is just go through them really quick, and I'm gonna try them onto my nails and see which ones match the size of my nails, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set them aside. And I like to just lay them out. So for like my left hand, I'll lay them out right in order, and then I'll do the same thing on this side so that they don't get mixed up. And if you look closely, I don't know if you can see, they do have on the little tab here, them numbered, so you can also match them by number too. Okay, so now that I have all of the nails that I'm gonna be using today, I'm just gonna slide these ones to the side. Again, like I had mentioned, they do come numbered, so it's just so easy. Once you find one that fits you on one side, you just go ahead and you look in the kit for the same number. So this one, you're probably not gonna be able to see it on camera, but it says 12. So you just go ahead and you find the matching one that says 12, and then you can use it on the other side. So now that we have everything laid out, what I'm gonna do is, I don't have any nail polish on and my hands are clean. I'm just gonna put a little bit of nail polish remover onto a cotton ball, and I'm gonna go ahead and just gently wipe my nails just to remove anything that may be there, any oils, just to get my nails nice and prepped. Now, if you need it, it does come with a little nail file. I probably won't need it today. And then it comes with the glue. The glue is super easy to open. You just twist it and it opens, and it's ready to go. So I like to start with my smallest finger and then work my way over. And we're gonna start with my left hand. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is just take that nail glue, okay? And you're gonna wanna place the glue all over your nail bed, just like that. And then you're gonna take the tab and you're gonna wanna cover it all in the area that is going to be attaching to your nail bed. Now this next step is very important to avoid getting the bubbling. You're gonna wanna push into your cuticle and very gently push down. You don't have to push that hard. And you're gonna wanna hold it there for about 30 seconds and really give the glue a chance to adhere from the fake acrylic nail to your nail bed. So now that that one's on, we're gonna move on to our next nail. I will show you a couple and then I'll just speed it up so it doesn't get too boring. Put a ton of glue all over your nail, just like this. Pick up your next nail, place the glue all over that nail, avoiding obviously the tip. Place it into the cuticle and gently push down and hold it there for about 30 seconds and really give the glue a chance to adhere. Press it into the cuticle and then gently, just kind of slowly. Now that we have the idea, I'm just gonna quickly go through and glue the rest on, and I'm gonna speed this process up. Okay, now that all the nails are on, I am just gonna let them dry a little bit more. And then these little tabs right here, you just wiggle them back and forth and they come off, and it's really easy. And as you can see, it doesn't leave a mess or anything like that. It looks really nice. So I'm just gonna let the rest of these dry up a little bit. I'm gonna remove those tabs. And it's also important, do not try to wash your hands until all of the glue has dried. If you get the nail glue wet, it's gonna get nasty. So I'm gonna let my nails dry a little bit, and then I am going to take the tabs off. I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna start prepping my nails to paint them. Today I'm gonna be using the Essence, the gel nail polish base coat. This helps your polish last longer, and then I am gonna be using this really fun color. Hopefully you can see how bright it is, and the lighting does it justice. And the color is Essie Cute as a Button. So as I mentioned before, sometimes I do just leave them like this and it looks so nice. Sometimes I'll leave them like this for like a week or a few days, and then I'll get bored and I'll go in with a really fun color on top. I'm gonna show you in a minute how I paint them and how I use the gel top coat and the base coat, and they come out looking really, really nice. Okay, so I just washed my hands. I'm not gonna get too crazy worrying about some of the excess nail glue that got on. After washing them a couple times with warm soapy water, and eventually you can just peel it away, or if you have to, you can use a little bit of acetone nail polish remover, dip like a Q-tip in there, and then kind of get it away, but I'm not gonna worry about that so much right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Essence, the gel nail polish base coat, and I'm just gonna quickly apply it to all of my nails. Dry for just a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna go in with this Essie nail polish. So here's how it's looking after just one coat. I'm gonna do 2 coats on this polish, let my nails dry really well, and then we're gonna go in with Essence, the gel top coat. Sometimes I use the Essie gel setter top coat, but I bought this one first, so I'm gonna try to use up all of this. This is a really good, affordable dupe for the Essie. The Essie is like $10, I wanna say, somewhere around there, and then the Essence is only, I think it's like under $5. So it's a really good, more affordable option to the Essie gel setter. Okay, so it's been about 5-10 minutes and the 2 coats are now dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly apply the top coat. Okay, so the top coat is done. As you can see, it gives a really pretty glossy gel-like appearance to the nails. As you can see, these are so easy to use. It comes out so good. I don't have time and I'm kind of afraid of that electric drill they use at the nail salon, and I feel like getting your nails done is a big commitment. With these, there's not so much of you have to keep getting them done. You can leave them on for a week, or if you have a wedding or just any kind of event, you can pop them on. You can know that you can easily take them off and it's only a few dollars. So typically I buy these from Amazon and I get them in a pack of 3 for like $25. These are the real short length. I also sometimes use the medium length. I've listed down below the exact ones that I order, so you can go ahead and check them out. So I know you probably have a lot of questions about how long they could last. I have had them last for up to 2.5 weeks. I'm gonna insert a picture here so you can see how it looks towards the end when they're starting to grow out. Now, if you don't paint them, and you just leave them as is, they're gonna start to bubble and lift on the side probably after about a week, and you'll be able to kind of wedge your nail underneath and push them up. So if you have the nail polish on, you can't really see that part, and of course, if you're messing with them, they're gonna lift a little bit easier too. But they definitely will last. Typically, I will keep them on for like a week, week and a half, and then I will take them off and give my nails a little bit of room to breathe. I like to kind of break it up a little bit. They don't damage my nails at all. When you take them off, like I said, they're gonna lift and kind of bubble at the end. You can just gently get in there. You can use one of the other nails that you didn't use and just kind of wedge in there and just gently start lifting the sides and all around the cuticle, and eventually through enough wiggling, they will pop off. On the box, it does say to soak them. You can totally do that too. I've never done that. I just like to kind of pop them off myself. Definitely check these nails out. They're so easy to use. Again, I've linked them down below in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have tried them or if you have any other recommendations for at-home gel or acrylic nails, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.